There are a lot of different ways that 50-50 can work. There's the 2-2-3. Say mom gets Monday, Tuesday, dad gets Wednesday, Thursday, and you alternate weekends. That's sort of a typical 50-50. There is week on, week off. I think usually week on, week off works better in the summer, so we're not involving school. Either way, it's a lot of back and forth for the kids. I think 50-50 is more increasingly becoming the norm, at least when you get to the judge level. In fact, I think some courts even start with the premise of why shouldn't it be 50-50? And then you have to prove why shouldn't it be 50-50. I think it also depends on the age of the kids, though. If you have a 2-year-old or a baby, the bias may be more towards mom getting primary custody until the kid's a little older. Some people in court don't even like to give 50-50 at all until the child reaches at least the age of 3. So it depends on how involved of a parent you are, your job situation. Do you have to travel a lot? Are you able to communicate? Are you able to work with the other parent? The standard is always going to be what's in the best interest of the child. I believe it's in the best interest of the child to have both parents involved, and I think most courts would agree. When the child is younger, it's more important that the child have consistent and frequent contact with both parents, because obviously younger kids, when they're away from you longer, they don't remember as well, the bond isn't there. So it's important that even if you are maybe the parent that doesn't have primary custody of a young child, that you have frequent visits. So in some cases, if I can't get my client a full-on 50-50 because the child's too young, I will get them some custody, but also maybe 2 dinner visits a week. And that can be anything you want. It can be 4 to 6, depending on bedtimes, 5 to 7. So the younger the child, the harder the 50-50 becomes, but make sure that you're getting frequent visitation if you can't get the full overnight 50-50.